Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tradovate account with multiple trading accounts to TradingView. So first of all, come here on tradovate.com. Afterwards, simply log into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner, then click on the option of application settings. Now inside the application settings, click on the option of add-ons. Over here you are going to see TradingView as one of the add-ons, so you need to simply just click on the option of activate in order to activate it if you haven't already. Now after activating it, you need to log out of your Tradovate account and then log back in order to apply these changes. Once this is done, simply just launch your new tab and simply search for TradingView. Now over here, when you are on the trading panel, you just have to simply click on the option of trade on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then simply use the search bar and you need to simply search for Tradovate. Now when you are able to find Tradovate in this list, you just have to select whether you want to connect your live account or your demo account with it. After doing so, simply click on the option of connect. Now when you do so, you will be landed here on the sign in page where you just have to provide your sign in credentials and then log into your account and authorize the connection. Now once the Tradovate account is connected with your TradingView account successfully, you are going to see the buy and the sells option over here, and in the trade section you are going to see your Tradovate account as selected. Now if you are trying to place one trade across multiple Tradovate accounts at the same time, that's not currently supported in TradingView. To trade multiple accounts simultaneously, you will need to use Tradovate's group trade feature directly inside the Tradovate platform instead of TradingView. So I'm talking about this particular option. You can do it with the help of this group trade section, but you can't make the trades here in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.